how to install AXS Tickets app. So you can just go tap it and then you will just be able to install it. With this app, you can just buy tickets to all kinds of events. One of the most popular apps probably is just one of the competitors to like Ticketmaster, because there were a lot of bugs there. So you can just tap for tickets to see the artists and teams you love. With the AXS app, you can find great events near you, buy 100% official tickets, sell your seats, and more. So yeah, you can just buy tickets to all kinds of events, sell tickets if you can't make it, use tickets with your phone. Yeah, find fun wherever you go. So that's the app. So then you can just go and open it up. Just go here, you can allow your location. Then you can just select locations, events near you. Then you can just also sign up and create an account. Just enter first, last name, email, and password. Of course, this app is mostly for US. So if you're traveling, if you're, for example, in Europe, you won't be able to see that many events around you.